We are preparing substrate for mushroom growing. We started by sorting the sawdust and removed all that debris you can see, the leaves. Then here we have moisturized and mixed the sawdust very well. This is sawdust from hardwood. Yeah, so it is well mixed and homogeneous. And at this time, we are going to steam. We are preparing our substrate for steaming. The first layer we put at the lower end, we have some sticks and water. So we are going to steam this substrate. Then we are able to put this substrate. After putting this substrate, we are putting another layer. Which is this? We are putting this. This is going to help in steaming to ensure that it boils very well. The substrate boils very well. And it will be an indicator that our substrate has really boiled. This is what we have done. These ones are going to provide space and trap some steam that will help in steaming the next substrate. And they will also act as proof whether this substrate is ready or has been steamed well, or it is ready. So we are adding more substrates into the drum. Take them. But this one is a little bit dry. So this is another layer, but since it seems a little dry, we are going to add some water. Kino nga kikoze bulungi kubanga ne bwe gakka. So bring the leaves. Bring. The knife is there. So here we are adding a layer of these banana stems. I told you it's going to show us whether it is ready. Once these stems are well cooked, then the substrate will be ready. That is 1. 2, it is providing a layer to trap the steam. So steam will be trapped here. Mulete substrate. Mulete n'amazzi amalala galimu. Naye waliwo ge twali twatabula mwagayo. Layimu mwali.
Waliwo gali mushroom house.
Sige gano ge tujjeyo. Waliwo ne bambi mulete
brown.
ago mabi. This is where we are. Ati mwiburuze embabi tuteekeho n'okuvundikira. So this is where we are. Now we are going to put finalizing. Kyalifa mukola. Leeta endagala. We cover, bring the banana leaves. Abasaanika mujje musaanika. Entamu okusinga obwanvu osaanika jangu beesi gw'osaanika. Tuyingizeeyo endagala. Waliwo ekiveera kyonna. Waliwo ekiveera kyonna. Tetulina kiveera. Ezo endagala tugenda zifumbisa. Hey, bw'ozifumbisa ofa. Gira musaanike. Yampati. Amagezi tubagijako. Baleete kiri. Ekibaato.